Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync contacts in Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once it's open, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to navigate to your profile. From there, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the main menu. Next, from the main menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen. At the very top, you'll see Account Center. Tap on that. Within the Account Center, look for and tap your information and permissions to continue the process. Now you should see an option labeled Upload Contacts. Tap on this. Here, you'll find a toggle switch for Connect Contacts. Simply tap this switch to turn it on. If Instagram asks for confirmation or permission to access your contacts, make sure to allow it to proceed. With contact syncing enabled, Instagram will now suggest friends from your phone's contact list, making it much easier to find and follow people you know. Remember, you have full control. If you ever wish to stop syncing your contacts, you can simply return to these settings and toggle the Connect Contacts switch off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.